Hey YouTube, Beat Up Tony here. Today we're gonna go ahead and machine the barrels. What I've done is I've chucked it up in my little Enco lathe. I'm running copper head gaskets, they're 60 thousandths thick. So we're gonna take off 60 thousandths off the bottom of the barrels. And what I've done is I've 3D printed a little insert here to help support the bottom of the barrel with the live center. And I've got the dial indicator right there. We're gonna take off the 60 thousandths. And after that, we'll go ahead and hone the barrels to size for the new pistons. And then we'll finish up reassembly of the motor. All right, let's go. All right, so we went ahead and checked the piston wall clearance and was all within spec. So we just did a cleanup hone on the cylinders. They're ready to go. Obviously, we'll have to do a final clean and oil. And next step now is to fit the piston rings. They're filed to fit. And once we have that, then we can go ahead and assemble the pistons and the rings and tie up a couple other loose ends, and then we'll be able to put the top end together. Okay, so the next step is going to be to file to fit the piston rings into the barrel. So I've got the barrel here, piston rings, and also a feeler gauge. And some plastic bags are labeled 1 through 4, because after you file them, your first, second, and oil rings, you want to keep them together with the barrel, and that way it's going to be a match set. That way you know all your clearances are correct. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how that's done. So you're going to take your piston ring, you're going to put it in the barrel, then take your piston to square it up. Okay. Then you're going to go ahead and check your clearance with the feeler gauge when you want a slight drag on it. So this one's perfect. This one I've already gone ahead and done. Then you're going to want to keep it together in your plastic bag. And once that's all completed, then you can go ahead and assemble the piston ring onto the piston with a corresponding cylinder. All right, I've got a few more to go here. So once that's done, then we'll jump on the next step, and it's a little bit of machining on the cylinder head. All right, YouTube, we're gonna go ahead and close this video out with some cylinder head machining. I'm gonna go ahead and taking about 10 thousandths off just to clear the surface, so I have a nice flat surface to seal. So I noticed it was leaking just a little bit right there under boost. So we're gonna go ahead and finish surfacing this. Then we're gonna start cleaning all the parts up and putting the top end together and get that motor done. So make sure you like and subscribe. And of course, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments and we'll get to them as soon as we can. All right, here we go. Cemetery.